All right, so first you need to assemble the bookmark, which is basically just cutting it out. There's no assembly required. Once you've cut it out, you can go ahead and start practicing your code reading. There are 3 different ways that the code can be written, passed along, and one of the ways is using a book. So the agent would put the bookmark in between 2 pages, and the left page is always the number that we're going to use to decipher our code. The number 4 in this case will be the letter A. So take a look at our cylinder. We're going to take our cylinder and we're going to spin it. We're going to find the letter A, and we're going to spin it until the 4 lines up underneath the A. So now we can go ahead and start cracking the code. In this case, we have 5, 12, 10. That's one word. And then 5, 15, 24, 8. That's another word. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. There's our letter A. And the first letter we're looking for, or the first number we're looking for, is 5, which is B. Then we're going to spin this till we get to the 10, which is, not 10, 12, sorry, which is I, and then 10, which is G, so the word is big. The next word, we're going to go back, we're going to find the number 5. That letter is B, and then we're going to spin it till we find the 15. So B, there's 15, and that's an L. And then 24, that's a U, and then the number 8, which is, I believe, an E, spelling the word big blue. So now you'd be able to go to the website or wherever you need to go, type in the password, big blue, and continue on with your mission. The other way you can use the decoder bookmark is by the button method. And you'll notice here, there are no numbers. Where are the numbers? We got to figure out where the numbers are. They're not on the back. That's because they've been embedded into the bookmark. And the way you find them is by using a flashlight. So what you do is you'll take your flashlight and shine it up behind it, and you'll find that there are numbers hiding as they light up. So let's take a look at how this is done. There it is. So the code is written here. It's written R hashtag yellow hashtag blue hashtag. The R stands for red, Y stands for yellow, and B stands for blue. The hashtag means that's the end of a number. So you'll notice underneath it, there's double numbers. So you have orange B, OB hashtag, you have yellow red hashtag, and then you have blue green hashtag. And those are the numbers that correspond with it. So let's take a look at how we do that. So our first one is R, so that's the number 1. And then yellow is number 2, and then blue is number 5. If we're doing a double number, such as the next one, which is orange, so 3, and blue, so 35 is our number. We have yellow, red, so that's 21. And then we have GB, so we have, we have BG, sorry. So it's 50, so that's the number 50. So that's how you use the flashlight. Now the other way is, again, using a book. You would take the bookmark, place it in between 2 pages, and this time you're going to use both pages. You're going to use the left page and the right page. So we take a look at our code here, and LP stands for left page, RP stands for right page. The underscore line stands for which line you're going to count. And then you're going to count over a certain amount of words, and then you're going to use the first letter of that word. So in our example here, it's the right page. We're going to count down 4 lines, and we're going to count over 5 words. And then we're going to use the first letter of that word. So let's take a look here. So first page is going to be the right page, down 4 and over 5. So first page is on the right side. We're going to go down 4 and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Word meaning squirrel. And we're going to use the S in squirrel. The next one is left page, line 4, 2 over. So line 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 over, giving us the word puppy. So we're going to use the P. And then the right page, you're going to count over 1, and you're going to count over 1. So it's this the first word of the line. So that's an A. And then left page, back to left page, down 2, 1, 2, over 4, that's run. Using the R, then left page again, the first line, second word, is kids, using the letter K. And then the right page, and you're going to count down 5, and you're going to count over 2, giving you the word yard. And if you did it correctly, you would have spelt the word Sparky. Now, you can't really see it, so what we're going to do is we're going to use our Blu-ray glasses. We're going to put this right here on our phone, on our camera, and there we go. You can see the word Sparky to double check yourself to see if you did it right. And that is how you use the decoder bookmark. So go ahead and start your first mission, and good luck, Agent.